Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a fine day today. It is a beautiful day. My son, she's loving me, y'all. She's loving me. But listen, guys, in today's video, I guess what I'm doing, I'm asking a question. Do you want to grow? Yeah. And really, I can answer a lot of those questions. Like, I can hear many of you say, yes, I want to grow. Yes, I want to grow. But in this video, I'm just sharing you some of the preparations I make for growing in the beginning of the season to try to eliminate some of the crazy problems that I have during the gardening season. So this is what I'm doing today. Also, I'm going to share with you my eye. I was just running out here, Tom. Don't worry about that. But also, I'm going to share with you a little Dollar Tree haul that Jade and I did yesterday. So I'm going to share that with you all today. I'm also going to share some breakfast because before I do anything out here working in this garden, yeah, I'm gonna give my body some energy because that's what it's gonna take for me to get through my day, right? So I hope you enjoy the video. Sit back, relax. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Yeah. I hope you are having a beautiful morning. As you can see, I'm getting it started, baby. Yeah. So I heated up this, these figs been in a refrigerator, so I heated them up, of course. They are delicious. Oh, they are delicious. And that's the end of the jar that I had. So, but I hope you're having a beautiful morning. I got my girl here with me, Miss Sage Marty. Hey. This is the blend I truly love. Yeah. Also, my nephew Turf, he liked that too. Yeah, Turf. But there it is. And here is my figs and bread. Ooh. I hope everything is going well with you and your family. But listen, guys, in today's video, I would like for you to keep in mind the question. The question is, do you want to grow? So yes, if you want to grow beautiful, healthy, strong vegetables, let's try to eliminate some of the known problems that we have. So I'll give you just what I do in preparing for an amazing gardening season. Now, listen, we all know we are dealing with Mother Nature. Mother Nature will shift on us, but let's be ready anyway, right? My coldest weather is still before me, so I'm preparing my garden for the spring. This is what I'm doing. I hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, let's go. Let me finish this because I'm gonna need all of this energy these beautiful figs giving me today. Yeah. So now that the weather is now cooperating and it feels good out here, family, this is one of my in-ground beds. So last season, this was where I put my trellis for my cucumbers. and this is where I will put it right back. It will be in the same area this year. But here I'm just pulling up a lot of the weeds and just getting it clear over here. And I want to get this soil together, because that is the first step into having healthy plants, is having a healthy soil. Your soil is the most important part of growing. So this is the way I start all of my seasons, just getting my soil full of nutrients and getting it together. So I just want to get all the weeds up, and then I'm going to turn this soil up. Yeah, it had a lot of, I grew a lot of brassicas here. Cauliflowers was in here, lots of onions, kale. This little bed grew a lot of food for me. A lot of food. It was wonderful. So here I'm trying to use my little handy dandy shovel to turn the soil. And what I'm going to find out is that, nope, because of that square bottom, no, she's not good. Yeah, I got to get rid of her. But no, I'm a hardhead. I'm going to keep trying, right? But as you can see, it was not working out really good for me with this square bottom shovel that I have. But have no fear. We're going to get it together. But our soil is the most important. So I'm going to get this soil nutrient ready. Yes, it will be nutrient ready. So now I got my little handy tiller. Yeah. Now I have 2 of these tillers. They are wonderful. Now this one that I have, it came from a very beautiful young lady here. Her name is Danny, and it is from Amazon. Yeah, this one is from Amazon. I have another one that I purchased from Home Depot. They both work perfectly. This one I find works just a little bit better, But I just want to get this soil all fluffed. I have a lot of earthworms in here. And the thing I don't like about the shovel is that sometimes I will hit the earthworm. But with this, yeah, I don't hit as many earthworms with this tiller. And this is why I love it. So getting your soil, getting it all fluffed up, and to give it the nutrients. Now I'm going to give these little beds, these beds of mine, at least three treatments of super juice and 511. This will be before I drop any seeds in them, or any plants from my cups will go in these beds. All of my soil will be nutrient ready, because this is where my plants receive all of their nutrients. So just make sure you don't have lots of rocks. Pull up all the weeds, because over the winter our soil get very, very compacted with all that cold weather we had. I think the cold weather did anything but made it even more nutrient ready. I really do. I loved it. I didn't like the plants dying, but yeah, it helps with this new season. It does. But so I'm putting in now some compost and black cow. This is an in-ground bed. And yes, if you have manure, chicken poop, bat guano, rabbit poop, anything, any kind of manures, anything organic and natural, this is the time to put it into your little beds now and have them ready and waiting for when you are ready to drop your seeds or place your plants, whatever way you are going to grow. And here I'm just working in all of that black cow and compost in the natural earth soil of this little bed. So I'm just getting it all together. There's a lot of big earthworms in this bed. They are huge, and I love it. It's just another great thing to have in my garden. So, and now I'm just breaking up the bigger parts and making sure roots, a lot of roots that was in this little bed, they're out. Now, one day next week, Ben and I is going to put up the trellis. It's on the other side of the garden, but we are going to put that trellis up. Yeah. So now in this can, it is super juice in here. And yeah, I did this super juice. It's been in a bucket for about 4 days. Yeah, it's right, family. It's right. And just to smell it, you will know it's right. And of course, I'm adding some 511. I just give it a nice big squirt of 511, y'all. If you know, you know. And I'm just going to, get it all incorporated in the can. And then I'm going to feed that. I'm just going to water my soil with this super juice. Now, as I said, I will do this about 3 times before I drop my seeds into this little bed. I have about 5 or 6 other beds that I will do between today and tomorrow. So I'm not trying to do everything in one day, and this is why I'm doing this early, so I can take my time and do it, and I don't have to overstress my body in getting it all done, because I want it done. All right, family. So Ben and I have been working over here where we've been chopping down the plantains. We still have a couple more to go, but I want to share the ones that I did. I shared it with you all, and look. Yeah, you see, they're growing back. Now, the only ones that is not growing back is like this one. And the reason is because she gave us fruit, so she will not grow back. No. But all of the others, as you can see, they are growing back. And that's the cool thing about bananas and plantains. Chop them down, baby. If they are ugly and, from the cold weather, don't be afraid to chop it down. Chop it down, and this is what will happen in a few days. That's a leaf, baby. That's a leaf. Yeah, it's a leaf. All right, mama. All right. Let me share this from our little the little goodies we picked up from the Dollar Tree. So this is for Jada, lit tnog. She says she's going to paint it, and she's going to hang it over by her garden. And it just says garden. And I told her whatever she wanted, go ahead on and get it. I love it. She also picked up this. I don't know if you can see it. It's so really, really pretty. It's just a wheel of flowers, and it says welcome right here. She picked that up for her little garden. Now, listen, guys. We picked up these. It's 3 of them, and they are solar lights. And, of course, they're little snowmen, right? The reason why we got these, they were 25 cents. So I'm like, it don't matter. We just want the light, baby. We just want the light. So these are just some of the ones they had over here. I like this one, and this was the only one they had. And so we picked that up, and the 2 snowmen. And they were 25 cents. Let's get that thing. So I bought this. It's like trim for her garden. Most of these things is for her, but this is for her. Yeah. So we've seen these before. They're really cute though. Yeah. So I told her, get it. These are her cups. And she got some hanging pots. And I think she got 2 of these. Yeah. Also, another thing she did get is these. Now, I tried these, I think, last year or the year before last. So this is Dollar Tree's answer to Coco Core or peat moss or whatever. But anyway, it's expanding natural organic soil alternative. And I mixed it up with some topsoil and peat moss, and it works perfectly. Perfectly. So I got her 3 of those. She got 3. Yeah. So another thing she did get, now I shared this with you all. I shared these pots here. Wait 1 second, let me put this here. Get over there. These are the regular Dollar Tree pots, right? And they have the next size right there. But then they have the next size, which is right there. So these were very cool. All 3 sizes, and she have like 4, 5, 6 of, you know, she got a bunch of them where she can mix and match whatever one she like. Yeah. So this is just some of my own morning glory seeds that I've harvested from the garden. I have so many just growing all over. I decided to pick these up because I'm going to share it with my friend Myra and Maria Graham. Myra and Maria Graham. But anyway, guys, that's the Dollar Tree haul for little tnog. I'm so excited about what she is going to do, right? But anyway, family, let's get growing and let's prepare our garden for what we really want. What you really want, baby.